Good morning. This is the morning walk time. Due to raining, there are very few people, only me and my father-in-law. You see, at age the 82, he's enjoying. Good. Today is raining, so nobody is there for walk. Only me and my father-in-law. We are walking with umbrella, and I'm so happy at the age of 82 he can walk. So like I always say, till that time your leg keep walking, you will be healthy and wealthy. The living example is my father-in-law. He is 82, already crossed. Still he can walk 5 to 10 kilometers every day. So keep walking without excuses.